Mastering idiomatic expressions. Cover your bases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's widely used in both casual and professional English: cover your bases. This expression has a rich background and a versatile usage, making it a valuable addition to your English language toolkit. Let's unravel the meaning, origins, and how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, cover your bases, is rooted in the sport of baseball, where it is crucial for players to guard their bases to prevent the opposing team from scoring. In a broader context, it means to thoroughly prepare for any situation by considering and addressing all possible scenarios or outcomes. When you cover your bases, you're essentially ensuring that you've taken all necessary precautions to avoid problems or failures. To better grasp how cover your bases can be woven into conversation, let's explore a few examples. In a work setting, before we launch the marketing campaign, let's cover our bases by reviewing the strategy with the entire team to ensure we've not overlooked anything. In personal planning, I've double-checked the travel itinerary and reservations to cover our bases for the trip. We should be ready for anything now. In problem-solving, she covered her bases by consulting with several experts before making a decision, ensuring she had all the information needed. These examples show the phrase's flexibility across different contexts, highlighting its utility in conveying thoroughness and caution. To incorporate cover your bases into your English communication, follow these tips. 1. Use it to express completeness and caution. The phrase is perfect for situations where you want to emphasize that all aspects of a situation have been considered. 2. Combine it with real-life examples. When explaining your actions or plans, use cover your bases to illustrate your diligence and attention to detail. 3. Practice with friends or in language exchange. Utilize this expression in conversation to become more comfortable and familiar with its usage. Cover your bases is more than just a sports term. It's a versatile expression that enriches your English language expression by adding a layer of depth to your communication. Whether you're discussing plans, making decisions, or simply ensuring you're prepared for whatever comes your way, this phrase can help you convey thoroughness and foresight. We hope this video helps you confidently use cover your bases in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.